Hey guys, welcome to Oliver Recordings. Today we're doing an unboxing of the brand new iPhone 11. There are 6 different color options you can choose from. You have the white, red, purple, yellow, green, and the black. As far as the storage goes, you have 3 to choose from. You got 64 gigabyte, 128, and 256 gigabytes, which is massive. I think my laptop has like 256 gigs, so that's pretty insane. It is a little bit heavier than the iPhone 10. This is 6.84 ounces. It's also a little bit wider diagonally than the iPhone 10. This is coming in at 6.1 inches. I believe the iPhone 10 was 5.8. As far as the cameras go, the front-facing camera can now record in 4K. The cameras on the back, you have your dual 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera lens as well as the regular wide lens. The ultra-wide, you got 2.4 aperture and 120 degree field of view, and your wide lens, you got your 1.8 aperture. There's some cool modes now. They got this really cool feature called night mode on the iPhone 11, so you're able to film in low light areas pretty good, take a good picture, and still have some decent amount of light even in really dark areas. Video recording, you got your 4K, you can do 20 frames per second, 30 or even 60. It also has really good cinematic stabilization. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump right into the unboxing here. This is the brand new iPhone 11, and as you can see in the back, this is the 64 gigabyte model. So let's go ahead and get it open. Pull this tab back. And there, first thing you see is iPhone 11 in all its glory. Has a nice bit of weight to it. Kind of feels the same as the iPhone 10, about the same kind of weight. Really nice. You can see the 2 cameras in the back. You got your traditional wide and your ultra wide angle lenses. Let's go ahead and put that to the side for now. You got this designed by Apple in California. Gonna be your quick start guide. And no more Apple stickers. Alright. Got the AirPods right here, and you got your charging brick. Below this, you're gonna have your lightning cable to charge your phone. Let's go ahead and take this plastic off. Alright, let's see if there's any juice in here. Alright, that's a good sign. Alright, so getting a closer look at the phone. The left side of the phone, you have your 2 antenna bands. This is all 4 on each sides. Here, this little switch right here to put it in a silent mode or ringer mode. You have your volume buttons right here, up or down. On the bottom, you have to charge it, the lightning cable, Type C. You have your speakers and mic. Then on the right side of the phone, 2 more antenna bands, SIM tray, and this is the sleep wake button. Also hold it to power it on. If you hold it, you can activate Siri. If you double tap it, you can use Apple Pay. Nothing up top. On the back, you're going to see your flash and 2 12 megapixel cameras shooting 4K 60 frames per second, and the Apple logo is now in the center of the phone. So as always, thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.